Right, in this video I'm going to show you a method of proof to prove something like prove that root 2 is an irrational number. And before we go ahead, we've got to really understand what an irrational number is. An irrational number is a number that cannot be written as a fraction a over b, where b is not equal to 0 and a and b are integers. Also, a over b must be in its lowest form. Okay, so you can't have 2 over 4, it must be like 1 over 2. So you must really understand that before we go ahead and prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Now, to prove that root 2 is a rational number, then what we say is that it can be written in the form a over b, but this will lead to a contradiction. Let's have a look at that there. So, this is known as the proof by contradiction. So, if we let root 2 be a divided by b, i.e. that root 2 is a rational number, that's what we're saying there, then if we square both sides, which we can do, root 2 squared is 2, and a squared will be a squared, and b squared will be b squared. If we rewrite that, we can say that a squared is 2 times b squared, and at this stage we'll call this equation 1. Now that means that a squared must be an even number, because it's 2 times whatever b squared is. And if you multiply any number by 2, the result is that it's even. Also, if you take the square root of an even number, that the square root is also even, so that means that a must also be even. Now what we say, as a is even, we can say that a is 2 times another number, because a is an even number. And then we substitute that into equation 1. Remember, equation 1 said that a squared was equal to 2 times b squared. So now we're going to say that a squared, which is now 2k squared is equal to 2b squared. If we square that, remember we have to square the 2 there as well, we're going to get 4k squared is equal to 2b squared. And then if we divide both sides by 2, we're going to get 2k squared is b squared, which now means that b implies that b squared is an even number, because we're multiplying this, whatever this is, by 2, it's going to be even. And therefore, if b squared is even, then b must also be even. Now we have a contradiction, because we said that a over b is not now in its simplest form. We said that to be a rational number, a over b must be in its simplest form. A and b are integers, and b is not equal to 0. But we haven't got that. We've got that a is even, and b is even. That means that fraction can actually be cancelled down. Therefore, it is contradicted what we originally said. And therefore, root 2 cannot be written in the form of a over b, and therefore is said to be irrational. Okay, a number cannot be both irrational and rational. Okay, so this has been a video to show a little bit about the proof by contradiction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.